Hey guys, my name is Manish and welcome back to Planet Bollywood, the one-stop shop for all the latest, most relevant news from the world of Bollywood and social media. Before we kickstart the show today, I do want to remind you guys about our Zoom Facebook page. Do check it out for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. On that note, here are our top stories.
Kangana takes a jibe at Hrithik and asks him to move on. Are Abhishek and Aishwarya gearing up to act in a new film together? Kareena shares an adorable picture of her favorite Pataudi boys. Siddharth Shukla spotted arguing with a dozen men in a new viral video. Devices belonging to Deepika, Sara, Riya and Arjun Rampal sent for forensic analysis. On-screen war ke baad, it's time for an off-screen war between Hrithik and Kangana. The actors who were reportedly dating in 2013 and 2014 had been at loggerheads since 2016 after they both issued legal notices against each other.
Kangana Ranaut is never one to shy away from controversy, and the actor who mentioned a silly ex in one of her interviews was served a legal notice by Hrithik Roshan for her comments. Plenty of allegations and counter-allegations were made and lots of dirty laundry was washed in public. But just when we thought that the matter had died down, Bollywood's most controversial rumored affair refuses to be forgotten. Take a look.
While she protests against the farmers' protests, looks like Kangana is reaping the problems caused by the seed of controversies that was sown almost 4 years ago. Hrithik has gone on record to deny that he had an affair with Kangana. He has accused her instead of harassing him with thousands of emails which were reportedly sent from Kangana's email if during their alleged relationship in 2014. Now, almost 4 years after things went quiet, on one of the messiest Bollywood spats, trouble is brewing again with reports that the FIR filed by Hrithik has been transferred to the CBI from the cyber cell. Not surprisingly, jab ye baat Kangana ko pata chali, she lashed out against Hrithik on social media, ridiculing him for pursuing the case against her. Kangana ने अपने ex-flame को taunt करते हुए अपने post में लिखा, his sob story starts again. So many years since our breakup and his divorce, but he refuses to move on. Refuses to date any women. Kangana also added that just as she was moving on in her life, Hrithik is taking them back to square one. Just when I gather courage to find some hope in my personal life, he starts the same drama again. Hrithik, kab tak roega ek chote se affair ke liye? She added in her post. Well, it remains to be seen if Hrithik will pursue this case or quietly withdraw his complaint, given that over 4 years have passed between them. All eyes are on the star now. Kya hoga Hrithik ka faisla? Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan fell in love while working together and got married eventually, becoming one of Bollywood's power couples. The two have worked together in 8 films over the years, and if all goes well, there may be a 9th very soon.
Abhishek and Aishwarya are one of the most loved couples in Bollywood. The two have been through lots of ups and downs, both personally and professionally, but the couple who's been married for over a decade now and are parents to the adorable little Aradhya have remained rock solid through it all, proving that they are the perfect Bachchan Beta and Bahu. Abhishek and Ash haven't worked together since Sarkar Raj, but here's what Abhishek had to say when he was asked about when one can see the two of them on screen again. Check it out.
Abhishek and Aishwarya have immense love and respect for each other, and one is always there to support and cheer the other. The two have not just built a successful marriage, but have also shared fabulous on-screen chemistry when they worked together in films before and after their wedding. Abhi and Ash have worked together across multiple genres like Dhai Akshar Prem Ke, Kuch Na Kaho, Umrao Jaan, Dhoom 2, Guru, Ravan, and Sarkar Raj, and were one of the most popular on-screen pairs before Aishwarya took an extended break from films after the birth of their daughter. But उनके फैंस आज भी उनके पैर को ऑन स्क्रीन देखने के लिए बेकरार हैं. Abhishek has been enjoying a brand new phase in his career and is working in a number of interesting projects like Ludo, Bob Biswas, and The Big Bull. लेकिन उनके फैंस बार बार यही पूछ रहे हैं कि वो और ऐश एक दूसरे के साथ अगली फिल्म कब कर रहे हैं. There was some sweet news in between when we heard that the two might be working together in a film called Gulab Jamun, being made by Anurag Kashyap, but it looks like that project may have fizzled out. While speaking about him and Aishwarya working together, Abhishek said in an interview, "It is always a pleasure working with her. She's my favorite co-star and she inspires me to do my best whenever we work together. We've done some really rewarding work together. I am sure we will be cast together again really soon." We hope so too, Abhishek. Here's hoping Ash and you find a film that suits the two of you really soon. Actor Arjun Rampal has been summoned by the NCB for further questioning tomorrow. The actor is under the NCB scanner after a banned medication was found in his home. Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, Rhea Chakrabarti and Arjun Rampal are just some of the individuals जिनके मोबाइल्स और दूसरे गैजेट्स को डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ फोरेंसिक साइंसेस में भेजा गया है. This is part of the ongoing investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's untimely demise in June this year.
Sushant Singh Rajput's demise at just 34 sent shockwaves through the industry. While the medical reports indicated that he may have caused his own demise, Sushant's family and a certain section of his fans continue to allege that there was a larger conspiracy and claim that there may be foul play involved in the actor's demise. There have also been investigations into a larger syndicate of banned substance peddling and consumption related to Sushant's demise after chats and interrogation of his staff indicated that the late actor may have consumed banned substances along with friends and colleagues from the industry. Take a look.
Sushant passed away in his apartment in Mumbai, and his demise led to many heated arguments and vicious trolling both on news channels and social media, with issues like nepotism, insider versus outsiders in the industry, the pressure of being an actor causing a negative impact on mental health of individuals, and the alleged widespread consumption of banned substances by other high-profile celebrities. Rhea Chakrabarti, who was rumored to be Sushant's partner at the time of his demise, was accused by the family of siphoning off funds from Sushant's account and abetting his demise by causing him mental harassment. She was questioned by the NCB, the Enforcement Directorate, and the CBI, and even spent a month in jail before being released on bail. The AIIMS forensic panel, who took a second look at Sushant's autopsy reports, have ruled out foul play and the investigation into his demise, and the larger investigation by the NCB still continues. 85 gadgets, including mobile phones, laptops, and pen drives, have been seized by the NCB and sent to forensic experts in Gujarat, जहां इनमें से data recovery शुरू हो गई है. Data extracted from 30 mobile phones has also been sent to the NCB, who are looking into a wider nexus between peddlers and consumers of banned substances. इन मोबाइल फोन्स को thoroughly एनालाइज किया जाएगा and deleted videos, chat messages and photos भी रिकवर करके एग्जामिन किए जाएंगे to get any links or connections between celebrities who were questioned and peddlers of banned substances. यही उम्मीद की जा सकती है कि CBI और बाकी इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसीज जल्द ही किसी नतीजे पे पहुंचे ताकि सुशांत की फैमिली को क्लोजर और इंसाफ मिले. Kareena Kapoor Khan knows just how to send the internet into a meltdown. The gorgeous mom shared an adorable snapshot of the 3 Pataudi men in her life, and safe to say our hearts are melting.
Kareena only recently joined social media, but she has become an instant hit thanks to her candid posts and lots of cozy family pictures that give us a glimpse into her off-screen life and also the special bond that she shares with her loved ones. After sharing a snap of her cute baby bump, Kareena and Saif now seem to be enjoying the company of the kids that are already in their lives. Want to know what I'm talking about? Here's the story.
Kareena took to social media to share a picture of Saif with his sons Ibrahim and Taimur, and safe to say, it's a priceless photo. Saif is dad to Ibrahim and Sara from his first marriage, and though the two are much older to Taimur, the three are extremely close. Kareena also shares a great equation with Saif's kids and has often spoken about how she tries to be a friend to them. Sara and Ibrahim often drop in at Saif and Kareena's home to spend time with their dad and celebrate special occasions like festivals and birthdays together as a family. Ibrahim, who is rumored to be preparing for a career in Bollywood, seems to have dropped in to catch up with his dad, and with little Taimur around as well, a perfect father and son's picture का मौका भी था और दस्तूर भी. Kareena के फोटो में पापा Saif looks thrilled to be with his boys. Dressed in his trademark white pajama kurta, Saif is twinning with little Taimur, जो छोटे से कुर्ते में भी cute लग रहे हैं. Ibrahim is dressed casually too in a black t-shirt and pants, but what we loved is how he and Taimur are holding hands and creating this group hug for Papa Saif. They seem to be thrilled to pose together, and their smiles add a special glow of happiness to the photo. इस priceless picture को share करते हुए Kareena wrote, "Favorite boys #father and sons." We agree, Kareena. This might just be one of our favorite pictures from your social media feed, and we hope we see many more such sweet photos with the holiday season around the corner.
अरे नहीं, हम लोग बाइक पे आएंगे सर, चाहिए तो
वो आ जाएगा अभी तेरे साथ.
चल आजा, तेरे को लेके जाता हूँ अंदर अभी. आजा आजा,
चल आजा. तेरे नवीन क्या रखे हैं? नवीन माहिती पण अरे आईची शिवी दिली आहे. सगळ्या शिवी.
Siddharth Shukla's case saw a new development with a second video being shared online that reportedly sees the actor dealing with multiple men and arguing with them single-handedly.
अरे नहीं, हम लोग बाइक पे आएंगे सर, चाहिए तो
वो आ जाएगा अभी तेरे साथ.
चल आजा, तेरे को लेके जाता हूँ अंदर अभी. आजा आजा,
चल आजा. तेरे नवीन क्या रखे हैं? नवीन
Television actor and reality show star Siddharth Shukla celebrated his 40th birthday recently, but just hours after the celebrations ended, the actor got involved in a controversy. A video that went viral had bystanders accusing Siddharth of driving while being intoxicated and hitting a man. Clarifications were issued immediately that claimed that Siddharth पर 10-12 लोगों ने हमला किया था, and now there is a new video that's doing the rounds and that's gone viral that actually might prove the actor's innocence. Take a look.
The new video that has gone viral and is being shared by thousands of Siddharth's fans sees the actor surrounded by at least a dozen men. While none of them seem to be attacking him physically, he is arguing with the men around him. It's not clear who has taken this video, but it does seem to add some weight to the claims made by Siddharth and his brother-in-law that they had to deal with goons in the wee hours of the morning following Siddharth's birthday. The earlier video, which was just 20 seconds long, saw an unknown man claim that Siddharth had been driving under the influence. Video में the voice behind the camera also accused Siddharth of hitting a common man while being intoxicated.
रहने दे, मारे ना होना छोड़। क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है? रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो सर? आपने बेवजह मारे ना सर, वो गरीब को बेवजह मारे ना। अभी बात क्यों पलट दिखाया? अभी आप बात मत पलटो, अभी मारे ना आपने दिखाया वो।
This claim was refuted by Siddharth and his team, who said that it was Siddharth who was threatened by goons whom the actor had arrested. Ever since a new video which seems to support Siddharth's claims went viral, his fans have been sharing it with the post praising the actor and adding the hashtag Sher Siddharth Shukla. One comment read, "They judged him for a 20-second video. This man stood alone among 13-14 people. Guts chahiye, sher hai wo akela kafi hai, hashtag Sher Siddharth Shukla." Some other comments were, well, looks like Siddharth has emerged as a hero to his fans even before we knew exactly what the problem was. Here's hoping that no third video puts him back in the danger zone again.
अरे नहीं, अब बाइक पे आएंगे सर, चाहिए तो
आ जाएगा अभी तेरे साथ।
चल आजा, तेरे को लेके जाता हूँ अंदर अभी। आजा आजा।
चल आजा, तेरे नवीन क्या रखे? नवीन दे।
ये सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला है, ड्रम करके गाड़ी चला रहा है। चल भैया, रहने दे, मारे ना होना छोड़। क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है? रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो सर? आपने बेवजह मारे ना सर, वो गरीब को बेवजह मारे ना। अभी बात क्यों पलट दिखाया? अभी आप बात मत पलटो, अभी मारे ना आपने दिखाया वो।
Well, दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere. We are coming right back. Recovering from a health setback he suffered last week, but it looks like the choreographer can't stay away from music and dance for too long. Choreographer and film director Remo D'Souza is the man behind many popular dance numbers from blockbuster films like Tumbin, Kaate, Dhoom, Rock On and Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Remo is also extremely popular as a reality show judge and is immensely respected as a mentor and guru in the world of Bollywood choreography. Warm wishes and prayers have been pouring in for the choreographer from his fans from all around the world and the country, and it looks like सबकी दुआ से रेमो बहुत जल्द डांस फ्लो पे वापस आ जाएंगे. Take a look.
The choreographer turned director has even started dancing in his hospital room, tapping his feet and trying to choreograph steps for a peppy dance number. Remo D'Souza may still be in a hospital, लेकिन उनके दिल के तार फिर भी बज रहे हैं. The talented choreographer who has made the biggest stars in Bollywood dance to his tunes is now preparing to get on the dance floor again. The choreographer director has even started dancing in his hospital room, tapping his feet and trying to choreograph steps to a peppy dance number. Remo's wife shared a new post on her social media page, जहां उन्होंने सिर्फ रेमो के पैरों की रिकॉर्डिंग की है. The choreographer seems to be sitting on a chair and has protective covers on his legs, lekin his feet just can't stop moving. Remo's wife Lizzie thanked all those who had sent prayers and get well soon wishes as she captioned her post. Dancing with the feet is one thing, dancing with the heart is another. Remo D'Souza. Thank you everyone for the prayers and blessings. Many of Remo's friends and colleagues from the industry had also shared a picture of Remo looking out the window in hospital robes, standing bold and ready to face the world again. Many well-wishers also commented on Lizzie's post and sent Remo heartfelt messages, hoping and praying that he gets better soon. Remo also had a special visitor at the hospital, actor Amir Ali, who is a close friend of the choreographer and visited Remo and shared a special post where Remo's back is to the camera, but he is flexing his muscles to show he is strong and recovering well. Amir captioned his picture, "My brother is back. @Remo D'Souza #strongest. Here's hoping Remo makes a complete recovery very soon and can be back on the dance floor super quick. Get well soon, Remo.
Well, guys, with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. We will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the scoop and dope from the world of Bollywood and social media. In the meanwhile, stay tuned to our Zoom Facebook page for all the updates about your favorite celebrities. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Until then, ciao.